call button. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good morning. Good afternoon. Perhaps it's night at your end. My name is Edward Iberaise, and I'm here to show you an opportunity that comes with the name to know it, knowledge. To know it is powerful. To know it is profitable. Friends, to know it is everything. Now, with to know, you are going to see how you can earn $10,000 or more consistently from a $500 crypto business. First, disclaimer. Now, every effort has been made to accurately represent this product and services. Information presented here is not to be interpreted as a promise or guarantee of earnings. Any potential is entirely dependent on the person using our products, services, and ideas. You need to understand that to know it is not an investment platform. To know it will not ask you to bring $1, $10, $1,000 and start getting returns. No, it doesn't work here with to know it. You don't invest to know it. As a result, you don't get returns. You don't expect returns from to know it. To know it was founded in 2018, 2 years ago, based in Australia, and got three gentlemen, three pioneers that go by name. One, Gavin Victor, Ejoke Nanks, and Marius Landman. Marius Landman is the chief data analyst. And very soon, a couple of hours from now, we'll be connecting with him on how he will be taking us on the live session, okay, showing us a clear direction of where Bitcoin and other coins are heading. And in the next 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 years, 10 years, and all of that. Friends, Marius has been a consultant in the oil and gas sector. And Marius got an algorithm with which he was able to consult, or he is consulting rather, for oil and gas companies, telling them when to buy crude oil and when to sell crude oil. He is using the same algorithm, okay, for us in the cryptos today. Gavin is the chief, Gavin is the director of operations, while Ejoke Nanks is the director of marketing and technology. Now, these guys, they got a vision to help you and to help me earn $10,000 or more consistently from the cryptos. Yes, the truth must be said. The crypto space is not for every Tom, Dick, and Harry. Many have gone there, they made a lot of money. And others went to the same place. Guess what? They lost a lot of money. Remember the guy you saw earlier, the picture I showed you, okay, with knowledge, you can always go around everything in life. You're going to find out how with knowledge, you can stay safe. Not just staying safe, you can make a lot of money in the crypto space. Knowledge from where? Of course, from to know it. Now we go to product. Our product is crypto education and farming. You're going to find out with little knowledge here and there in the crypto. And you farming. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can go about that. You're going to be in profit. And before I let you go, friends, you are going to find out that there is active and passive income for you. Yes, you. Not everyone. You that choose to share the opportunity with friends, family, neighbors, colleagues, and perhaps with enemies. Find out very soon. Now, crypto education and farming. CNN Business got this report some time ago that the best investment of the decade turned $1 into $90,000. Friends, may I let you know that investment was not in oil and gas. That investment was not in real estate. Neither was the investment in gold, silver, and name it. That investment was in the cryptos. That investment was in Bitcoin in particular. Friends, if you had invested $10 10 years ago in buying Bitcoin, today you will be worth over $900,000. I'm saying if you had invested $100,000 in buying Bitcoin 10 years ago, today you will be worth over $9 million. Did you miss out? Of course you did. Did I miss out? Hey, I missed out as well. Why? We missed out because we never had the knowledge. Again, knowledge is a new currency that you must go after right now. Not the money, not the cash you are seeing around you, but knowledge. Now, I'm going to show you nothing beats crypto farming. I'm going to show you how we do crypto farming using the knowledge that is available to us. Of course, not just any knowledge, intelligent knowledge available to us from to know it. Now, Forbes is asking, is 2020, of course, they asked this question around April this year. Is 2020 the new 2017? Because they're kind of confused with the way Bitcoin is playing out this year. Could it be a repeat of 2017? Well, time will tell. Time will tell. And you may want to ask, hey, what happened in 2017? Okay, you may want to Google it. Okay, check Bitcoin in 2017 or price of Bitcoin in 2017. Just Google it. You're going to find out something for yourself. But let me give you a hint of what happened. In 2017, January precisely, Bitcoin moved from less than $1,000, right? January that 2017 to about $20,000 same year, December same year. Yes, that was how much it moved. Now, a lot of people who bought Bitcoin around that time, by December, guess what? Many of them became debt-free. Many of them were able to acquire a lot of properties. Many of them were able to start up new businesses and all of that. Why? Because they were in a space where they got the right information, they did the right thing at the right time, and that gave them a lot of money. Guess what? Some of us, we never had that information. Rather than make profits, guess what happened? We run into losses. Reason? No information, no knowledge. Now, Bitcoin could be this year's best performing asset. Yeah, there are several assets out there that you could put your money into. Of course, you and I know that an asset is what puts money in your pocket. A simple definition given to us by Robert Kiyosaki. Friends, Bitcoin is one asset you want to take a closer look at. All right. Now, talking about the crypto farming, friends, you need to take a look at this. You see, nothing drives the market. What drives the market is emotions. Yes, emotions is what drives the market. So people get to hear about the price of Bitcoin soaring, going up. Guess what? They dash into the market. They buy. Just like what happened in 2017. When the price of Bitcoin started from $1,000, many never got into it. 3,000, they never got into it. 4,000, they never looked at it. 10,000, they were still looking. It was when it was approaching $20,000 that they started jumping into the market. Friends, that is the point of euphoria. That is the point of maximum risk in investment. You don't get into the market at that moment. It's really risky. It is very, very risky. Those who got knowledge were getting out of the market at that price, where those without knowledge, because over there, outside, they were told the price of Bitcoin was going to 30,000, 50,000, 100,000. As a result, they never get to make profits from their market. Friends, we don't, in TONOIT, we don't dwell in the market, okay, as a result of emotion. No, knowledge is what guides us. Knowledge is what guides us. Now, people get in at the point of euphoria, thinking that the price will still go up, or know to them that they just go to the peak and that the market is about to reverse and start coming down. And before they know what's happening, they get to the point of denial. Hey, they're like, what's going on? I got into this market to make money. Why come I'm being denied of the profits I want to make? Fear sets in. Now they are panicking. Now the point of this potential depression, say, well, before I lose everything, let me let go of what I have. Friends, it's at that point that we with knowledge set into the market and we buy. We buy at that point. You see, the psychology of trading says that you should buy into the fears of people, all right, and sell into their greed. Sell into their greed, buy into their fears. That's what plays out in the market. If you can do that, friend, you will always be in profit. You will always be in profit. When we buy at the point of maximum opportunity, then we'll take a ride with the market up to the point of hope, optimism, and euphoria. Guess what? We step out. Let me show you practically how that plays out, how to grow your money through crypto farming. Now, we have two major types of farming, rather three major types of farming. We have position trading, we have swing trading, and we have day trading, which also go with scalping or scalp trading. You know, now I'm going to take a look at the two easy type of trade, okay, to go if you want to make money in the cryptos. We have either make money from the position trade. It means you will buy today, leave it there 6 months, 1 year later, 2 years later, you come back and sell what you got. Or you go into what we call swing trading. Swing trading, you buy the lows and sell the highs. You come back to the lows, buy the lows, you sell the highs. Buy the lows, you sell the highs. Now, we use what we call swing trading for crypto farming. Please take note of that. We use swing trading for crypto farming. Now, here is how we go about the crypto farming. First, you must understand that there are two positions in the market, the top and the bottom. Here's the top, the top, the bottom, the top, the bottom, the top, the bottom. Now back to the top. So you need to understand we have the tops and the bottom. At every bottom, ensure your money is in volatile coin. While at every top, every bottom, your money in volatile coin. While at the top, ensure your money is in stable coin. That is how you can be in profit in the crypto space. Please, if you know what I'm telling you now, you will always, the word is always, you will always be in profit in the crypto market. Whether you are an expert or you are just starting, you will always be in profit. So now here is a quick one on how we do that. We have two guys here. Two of them got to know that the price of Litecoin. Litecoin is an example of a volatile coin. Volatile coins are coins that change in value with time. While stable coins are coins that never change in value with time. They are always where they are. Okay, examples of stable coins, we have TUSD, USDT, and a few others. While volatile coins, we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, NEO, EOS, and much more. They are actually over 5,000. Or go to CoinMarketCap, you'll find them there. Now, the guy comes in, he's aware that the price of Litecoin will be $1,000 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now. Guess what? He buys one Litecoin at $25. He keeps it there. Now, someone else like me who belongs to community, okay, smart community that goes by name TONOIT, all right, is also aware that 6 months from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, the case may be, the price of Litecoin is going to $1,000. And here's what I would do. I also buy the Litecoin at $25. Now, the guy bought Litecoin is holding we call that position trading. He walks away. He left the Litecoin in his wallet. He left the Litecoin in his exchange. He walked away. Now, why I also bought the same Litecoin, $25. Both of us paid the same amount of money, $25, and I bought one Litecoin. Now, after a while, a report comes to us from TONOIT, a smart information that the price of Litecoin is going up. Now wait, and the price go up, it gets to $100. Now at $100, guess what happened, friends? I will swap my money to a stable coin. I will swap to stable coin, and then I will hedge my $100. I will hedge my $100. Now once that happens, before you know what is happening, the price of Litecoin will start dropping from 100 to 70 to 60, now to 50. And here's what I will do. I'm going to take my $100, which I move to a stable coin. Remember, stable coin, they don't change the value. I'll take my $100, I'll come down to $50 there back to the market, and I will buy Litecoin at $50. Because I got $100, that will afford me 2 Litecoins. Friends, now I'm going to take a ride with the market from the bottom to the top. To the top, and now $500. $500. Now, how many coins do I have? I got 2 Litecoins because I was able to buy at $50 with my $100. Now, that will give me $1,000. I will move my $1,000 into a stable coin. Into a stable coin, and then I will wait again for the next drop. Because after every top comes the bottom. Now comes the bottom, $100. Now I got $1,000. I will take it back into the market, buy Litecoin at $100. Because I got 1,000, that will give me 10 Litecoins, which I will take a ride with it to $1,000. Friends, don't forget I got 10 Litecoins. Because I have 10 Litecoins, that will amount to $10,000. After 6 months, after 1 year, after 2 years, as the case may be. Now the other guy bought Litecoin at $25, he walked away. Now he has 1,000, he's happy. I also bought the same Litecoin at $25, okay? But I did what we call crypto farming, following swing trading, and that gave me $10,000 because I have 10 Litecoins. See, within a period of time, while the other guy was waiting, guess what I was doing? I was busy increasing the number of coins that I have. Now I have 10 Litecoins. 10 Litecoins. You can see that I never injected any new funds. No, all that I started with was $25. Now the other money that I spent was the $500 I paid to know it, okay, for me to be a community member. to know the bottoms and to know the tops, to know the bottoms and to know the top, so that I can increase the number of coins that I have. So that at the bottom here, I'll be able to increase the number of coins from 1 to 10. Why the other guy who never subscribed to TONOIT, okay, is still holding on with his one Litecoin? Did you know? If the price of Litecoin get to $10,000 for one eventually, which will happen, all right, I have 10 Litecoins, that will give me $100,000. Guess what happens? The guy will be carrying one Litecoin, and that will give him $10,000. See, this is what is happening right now, that we are helping a lot of people to do all over the world. So the best you can do right now is to get into TONOIT, become a subscriber. Subscribe for 1 whole year, $500, which is good for you, so that you'll be able to follow all of these and also learn some of these things beyond just taking the report. Friends, so much is happening. You know, you may want to say, well, I am new. I'm telling you, you shouldn't be worried, that there are a lot of things put together for you if you think you are new in the crypto space. You see, we have the starter kit for you right now that got 16 videos. If you come in, these 16 videos will ensure that your mind is put in the right frame, okay? Talking about the psychology of trading in one of the videos you need to take a look at. You will be sure of what to do at every given time, all right? And there you get to know that we buy into the fears of people and sell into their greed. You're going to find out all of that in those videos and other wonderful videos that will ensure you become profit inclined, okay, in this space. Friends, coming is a school of crypto. It comes to become a curriculum for beginners, for those of you who know nothing about cryptocurrency, and coming with curriculum for you perhaps you have 1 or 2 info before about cryptos, no problem, or for you who have become a guru, friends, there is something for you. Now, every Thursday Nigerian time, 10 p.m. Nigerian time, we connect with Marius and his team, where it gives us a clear direction of what will happen a couple of days, weeks, months, and years to come. Today is Thursday. In about 3 hours or so, we'll be connecting with him. So don't forget to join Marius tonight by 10 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, all over the world, people connect. Please, and please again, try to connect before 10 p.m. because the moment we get to the mark of 1,000, you won't be able to join the meeting. So ensure you join right on time. Now, there's a Telegram group you can belong to get support here and there. And the frequent family report comes to us because we are subscribers, you know, and beyond that, you'll be getting some family skills. These are talking about the life skill that will ensure you make $10,000 or more consistently from the cryptos. Friends, all of these you enjoy as you come into TONOIT. Don't forget that TONOIT is not an investment platform. You're not giving them your money. You only get information which you will use to trade yourself, and you will be in profit. Yes, you will be in profit. This is all we represent. This is all TONOIT got to offer you. Now, we have active and passive income. For those of you who feel you need more or you need extra, how will you get this? Very simple. If you share the opportunity with friends, family members, neighbors, colleagues, and perhaps your enemies, friends, you will get some active and passive income. Now, there's a guy who has been in the Bitcoin space since 2012. He has an advice for you. It goes by name Andreas. He said, don't buy Bitcoin, earn it. Find a way to earn Bitcoin. Find a way to accumulate Bitcoin as much as you can, because the Bitcoin you see today that is $9,000, that Bitcoin is going to 10,000. That Bitcoin is going to 90,000. That Bitcoin is going to $100,000 for one. Hey, that Bitcoin is going to 1 million Naira for one. Yes, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years from now, one Bitcoin will get to that price. Now, the best you can do right now is to accumulate these coins. How do you accumulate them? Convert your labor, your services, your products. There's something you can exchange for Bitcoin, friends. As I said, don't buy Bitcoin. So in TONOIT, you are going to be paid not in your local currency, but in Bitcoin. Friends, yes, in Bitcoin. That's how you get to pay. But if you're in Nigeria, if you don't want Bitcoin, no problem. I'm going to show you how you can connect your Bitcoin to your local bank. Of course, you can do that all over the world. But if you're in Nigeria, we have a special package for you where you can get that worked out from Bitcoin without even touching Bitcoin. The money goes straight to your local bank if that is what you're comfortable with. Okay, now I'm going to show you that 85% is distributed among the community members. What am I talking about? Every subscription that comes into TONOIT, 85% of that amount. If you come in today with $500, 85% of that amount, friends, will be taken from your $500 and shared among community members. TONOIT said we will not pay the media, all right, whether print media or electronic media, to advertise for us. Let our members advertise for us, and we'll pay them for advertising for us. 85% of the money that anyone pays is given back to us. Don't forget that most companies you see today, they pay up to 50% in adverts. I'm talking about the likes of Coca-Cola and Co. But here, 85% is being paid and among the members. If that happens, friends, you tell a friend about our business, you get what we call active income. They connect others. When you connect with them, you get passive income. Passive income, yet another passive income, because you are in the line of transaction. So everything that happens at the end of the day, you always get paid. With this in mind, I'm going to show you a $1 million roadmap. Yes, how you can become 1 million, why you can become a millionaire in a very short time. Now, follow me. $1 million or more. Following 2 simple steps with us. How does that play out? Very simple. 2 simple steps. Step number 1, become a rising star. Within 60 days, become a rising star. That is pretty simple. I can tell you that the number of people became rising star within 60 days, some within 30 days, some within 20 days, others within 1 week. Do you know that some actually became rising star within a day? For me, I became a rising star in less than 24 hours, where that record had long been broken. Many came in and they became rising star in far less than 12 hours. Now, the second thing you need to do is to teach everyone the rising star secret. Let them know that the secret of becoming a millionaire, okay, in our passive income, that's for those who choose to go in that direction, is to become a rising star. How? Here's what it means to become a rising star. You come in, that's you. Follow my pointer, that's you. You connected Ami and Ben. That's all we do. We just connect. That's our business. Our business is to connect. Friends, may I let you know that those that will be wealthy, those that will be on top tomorrow, okay, are those who knows how to connect, or who knows how to get connected. Here we connect. So you connect Ami and Ben, okay, and the Ami connect A1 and A2, Ben connect B1 and B2. When that happens, friends, you are a rising star. What next? You teach Ami to become a rising star. Teach Ben to become a rising star. When that is done, friends, it will start to create a ripple effect. You know what means a ripple effect? You drop a little stone in the middle of water, you see the ripples that will move away, okay? Or call it a domino effect, where everyone will be doing little things that will bring about massive income at the end of the day. If that is true, here's what follows. A lot of income follows. You come in, first you raise 2 rising stars, you earn $490. All right. At level 6, when you have 30 rising stars, you would have earned over $3,000. Friends, that is over $1 million in my country, Nigeria. And I can tell you, you can do a whole lot. Yeah, you can do a whole lot. I mean, with the fact that a lot of people from the news reaching us right now, that over 40%, okay, have lost their jobs as a result of COVID-19. Over 40%, no job for them. Yes, the lockdown is over, or it's becoming over, but no job for them to go back to. So $1 million is a whole lot of money, friends. At level 9, you would have earned over $23,000. I don't know what that can do for you. For me, that's a lot. It can do a lot for me. Now, at level 12, $187,000. Friends, at level 15, approximately $1.5 million. At level 18, $7.7 million. How did you get there? What did you do? How did you get there? All you did was, so number 1, became a rising star. Number 2, what do? You taught Ami and Ben. to become a rising star. Now, Ami and Ben, they became rising star because they learned it from you. Guess what? Because they learned it from you, they are going to teach others after them how to become a rising star. The rising star secret. The rising star secret. That's all everyone will be doing. And guess what follows? All of this cash will find their way into your pocket. Friends, we are not telling stories. We are saying that people are earning this kind of money. People are making this kind of money globally. All right. Here are some earnings by our community members. Now, this guy came in August 8, 2019. In 6 weeks, he earned $7,775. A lot of money, you will say. Yes, that's a lot of money. But the point is, as much as that money is big, I am really not carried away with that money. It could be more than, it could have been more than that, it could have been far less than that. But what did he do? Or what did she do to earn that money is a question we should be asking ourselves. You know, here's what he did, the process. It's always a process. It's always a process. Always find out what is the process, what that means, the process to earn that kind of money. Now, he got Ami and Ben, just 2 persons, just 2. He connected just 2 persons to the community, and he taught them to teach others. He taught them to teach others, and there come this kind of fund. Here's another guy, 7,300 in 5 weeks. August 30 was when he came in, 2019. Also, he did the same thing. He connected just 2 persons. Just 2. Yes, just 2. Now, here is another guy, August 2nd, 2019. He was able to earn over $9,000. How long? It took him 6 weeks to do that. Please, take your eyes away from the money, because he could have made more than this or even less. But look at the process. He was able to connect 3 persons. Yes, connected 3 persons. Friends, there are more community results. This guy connected 3 persons, over $16,000. This guy, 4 persons, he has earned over $20,000. Over $20,000. You see, this guy could have, he could decide to spend all the money or put half of it or everything into the market, following the report available to us, rather than starting the farming with $25. He started with $20,000. Do you know that if that happens, where the guy with $25 earned $10,000, he or she will earn over $8 million with the $20,000, following that same simple steps we showed you earlier. Friends, all you need to do to become a rising star. How do you become a rising star? Friends, we do this meeting every day. Every day. So all you need to do is to invite your friends. Invite. Just share this flyer. Share it. Okay, invite them to see us, to meet with us. And when they come, they will listen to us, to ask their questions. Of course, we will respond to their questions and also attend to their concerns. In Nigeria, it's 6 p.m. In London, 6 p.m. Ghana, 5 p.m. South Africa is 7 p.m. your time. East Africa is 8 p.m. your time. Oh, for those of you in UAE, it is 9 p.m. your time. Friends, all you need to do, if your time is not captured here, just go to Google and put it across, check what time your country, okay, falls into the time zone. Now, all you need to do is to invite. It's not in your position, all right, to ask or to prejudge. Will she be part of this? Will he be part of this? Just go ahead and do it, because a lot of people are right now online trying to look for online business. Guess what? Many will run into the wrong ones. So why not show them the right one and let them make some money for themselves? Know fully well that here we don't invest. We only get information to grow the money where the money is in our custody. What's the risk? From the crypto farming, Warren Buffett, okay, guy who started investment from age 11, and that took him to the top today, one of the richest men in the world. God is to say, said risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Friends, in the crypto space, if you don't know what you are doing, my advice, stay away. But for us to know, we know exactly what we are doing, all right? We know when to buy, we know when to sell. As a result, there's little or no risk with us. Now, startup risk. Startup risk. Friends, what will it cost you to get started? $500 for you to, that what you will pay for a whole year, or less for you to start. Now, what opportunities do you have If you start today, all right, from the crypto farm, you saw it earlier, $10,000 or more you earn consistently. While the passive income, you saw the roadmap of $1 million. You saw it yourself, friends. Of course, you saw much more than $1 million. Now, Tony Robbins is saying, risk a little to make a lot. If you want to make $100, why not risk $10 to make $100? Now, for me, before I get into any business, okay, lately, I've come to understand that I must take what we call a risk. I go through my risk calculator. Okay, and let me run that with you here, friends. Here is the risk decision calculator. Now, what do I have to lose here? Only $500. What do I have to gain? $10,000 or more consistently from the crypto farming alone, and $1 million or more from the passive income. You can see that I have so much to gain if I say yes to this opportunity. Now, number 3, if 2 is less than 1, please don't do it. I won't do it. Or if 2 is greater than 1, if what I'm expecting is far more than what I'm putting in, friends, I am taking action without even looking back. I'm taking action irrespective of what anybody will say. After all, I won't even seek for anyone's advice. Once I know that it's clear in the direction, friends, I jump at it. Now I'm asking you right now, what is your decision number? Number 3 or number 4? For me, I took number 4 a long time ago. Of course, that's the reason why I'm here, showing you the opportunity. I invite you now to the chat area if you're with me on Zoom. Okay, go to the chat area, give me your number, number 3 or number 4. Or if you're following me right now on Facebook, go to the comment area, friends, give me your number, 3 or 4. Finally, it is the start, okay, that stops most people. It is the start that stops most people. See, the first step is always the hardest in life. Look at the little man there, standing before the first step before him. He's confused, not knowing what to do. A lot is going through his head right now. Should I go back? Of course, he has 1,001 reasons why he should go back. After all, the thing is too high for him. Friends, he can find a way, all right, and get results, thereby climbing over the first step. And after that, you realize that the second, third, fourth, and going forward, the steps are far, far easier. If and only if he can get over the first step. You see, it is start, friend, that stops most people. I'm asking you, what is stopping you? Please do not be most people. Look at where you are today and look at where you were 5 years ago. Where would you want to be financially? Where would you want to be in terms of financial freedom, in terms of time freedom, I mean, in terms of location freedom, impact freedom? Where would you want to be 5 years from now? Friends, your decision today, all right, people around you will either feast from it or they will kind of regret that you took such decision. Friends, this is how to earn $10,000 or more consistently from a $500 crypto business. You have seen it all. You have seen the system. All you need to do right now is to take that decision that will change your life completely. Thank you very much. I want to respond now to questions. If you have any questions, feel free to go to the chat area and type your question. If you're with me on Zoom, if you're following me right now on Facebook, go to the comment area and type your question. Friends, we'll respond to your question. Now, while I wait for your question to come up, let me quickly show you what you need to do right now to get started. Number 1, because it's not enough for you to hear and never take action. So you get back to whoever invites you here. Let the person know that you appreciate the opportunity, you appreciate the chance that be given to you. And secondly, request for a link. Request for a link. And when you get the link, here is what follows. When you get the link, I'm going to share my screen with you now. Now, when you click on the link, an online form like you are seeing right now opens up. Okay, you have an online form like this opens up. So do well to click on the form, complete the form rather from the beginning to the very end. The only thing that is not compulsory here is a Skype. If you don't have Skype ID, please ignore. Now, at the bottom of the form, you have a little box here. Click to check the box to confirm that you agree rather with the terms of service offered by TONOIT. Thereafter, you have the green area down here. Please click on the green area to sign up. That's what you need to do. You get 2 emails when that happens. The first email welcomes you to the community, while the second email, all right, comes with a link which you need to click on to validate your registration. Okay, so thank you. My name again is Edward Igberase, and I say congratulations for coming into this space.